we set off from Accra very early and arrived at the base of the mountain where we had some sort of briefing and history about the place. We also got to know each other and make new friends since we traveled in a group and you could need help at any time. Then we stretched our muscles a bit and then set off. The path up was so rocky and steep for the most parts, but it was a really dope experience walking through the rocks and caves with all the nice views and fresh breeze. Aside the tower was a lot of greens and freshness in the air, and it was something you would really enjoy living in Accra for a very long time. So it took about 40 to 50 minutes to get to the rock climbing site. At this time, everyone was so tired and drenched in sweat. Some were even out of water, but the fun was only yet to begin.
Yo, I'm so wet! Yo, we good.
I realized that the trick is not to pull yourself up with your hand. It's a balance between your hands, that's your fingers, and your feet. It was painful, but I might just do this again.